Buenos días, estudiantes. Estamos aquí y hoy es miércoles, el 25 de octubre 2017. We're here because I'm wanting to show you guys how to link your Flipgrid videos to your class Google slideshow so that comments can be made on it, so that students can go to where they need to go in order to see the video and make comments, okay? So here we go. We're going to start by logging in with Google, the usual that we do. All right, so I'm going to the Google home page. I'm going to sign in. You guys are going to sign in as well with your Google email, and that would be id@student.lbschools.net, okay? Mine's a little different, but that's okay. And Kim at LB Schools. See, it matters greatly that everything is perfect, okay? Schools.net, there we go. And then you're going to put in your ID and then your birth date as your password. We're going to go and we're going to get onto the classroom, okay? We're going to go into the waffle. We're going to click right here on the classroom. We don't have to type it in the search bar. And we're going to go to period 2 because that's the first on my list. Here we go, period 2. Obviously, you click on the period in which you have Spanish, okay? Here we are. And we're going to first open up the slideshow that we're going to be working with, okay? So here it is. I put this up. This is nuestra Flipgrid y comentarios, okay? Our Flipgrid and comments. So I'm going to click on it. And I want you all to know that everybody is going to get a number of a slide, okay? A slide number. So what you're going to do, once you have that number, is, like my example shows, as soon as the examples pop up, is that you are going to put all of your Flipgrid so far onto a slide. Your name will be in the title, first, last name, okay? And then we're going to make comments. Students will be doing commenting, okay? Please note that the key to this is that they are linked, okay? They're linked and you could click to go directly to your Flipgrid, and that's what I'm going to teach you how to do. All right, note that yours will not have any videos like mine because I did that on my phone and put it in the drive versus on Flipgrid, okay? So you'll just have these 3 titles, Flipgrid 1, 2, and 3, and you'll build it as we get more Flipgrids here so we can make more comments. You'll reflect on your own work, etc., okay? Please note that you're going to need to make 3 comments, okay, on at least 3 of your classmates' Flipgrid. Once somebody has 3 comments, you may not comment on their grids anymore, and you have to choose someone who doesn't have 3. Okay, the goal is that everyone has comments, and make sure they're only constructive criticism, okay, or positive. You're allowed to say, you know, what they could do to make it better, but again, be nice in what you say. Okay, also the comments need to be thoughtful and thorough, and I'll show you my sample comments. Okay, so first I want you to note that this one, we know that it's linked because if I click on it, I can click right there on that blue link, and guess where it takes me? We're going to go directly to my flip on my Flipgrid. Oh my goodness. Okay, so watch.
Buenos días, me llamo señora Kim.
And by doing this, I can see my classmates' Flipgrids and I can give feedback, okay, and comments based on what they said, how they said it, what they could improve, and what they did good on, okay?
The quiz for me was interesting.
So you could see that I'm going to click out and I'm going to go back here and I'll note my comments, okay, that I had said that I liked how you spoke only in Spanish in both Flipgrids. It seems like you practice. Also, you have a thorough reflection, gracias, and your name. Okay, number 2 was the silly one that I did about the weather with the props. And I said that I like how you had writing on the board to show the place and temperature. I also liked your props. It made it more interesting. I could see your personality too. It was fun and I enjoyed it. Gracias, Pedro, for example, but it would be your name. Okay, and then what I want to teach you is how to link your Flipgrid, okay? So what I need to do is I need to have my tab open still for the classroom. Go back in the classroom, and I am going to go to Flipgrid number 3 because that's the one that I need to still upload again, okay? Flipgrid number 3, I'm going to click on that link. Okay, and here I am, period 2, number 3, and guess what I see right now? My silly face, okay? So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to watch it.
Hola, buenos días. Me llamo señora Kim, and I've learned a lot in Spanish. I learned about the numbers like uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. I learned about the months like enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo. The weather, hace calor, hace frío, otoño, primavera. We learned about asking questions like ¿qué hora es? Or ¿dónde estás? ¿Quién, cómo, por qué? We also learned about a lot of interesting things. And what else? What else can I say? I know it's all supposed to be in Spanish, but I don't remember all the Spanish. I don't know what she expects of us. I don't speak Spanish, so I'm trying to do my best here. Adios.
As you could see, that was an example of a student who, hold on, let me pause this. Ooh, pretty. That was an example of a student who was a little bit frustrated, didn't know what else to say. Okay, and I wanted to express that sentiment that I see that sometimes with students. We use our notes and we're able to pause the video to refer to them. Okay, and what I wanted to actually show you in this was how to copy this URL. Okay, you just highlight it, you right click to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to my slideshow. Okay, I am going to highlight, okay, highlight the word. All right, and I am going to go up here where it says insert. I'm going to insert my link, and I'm going to control V to paste. You could see that's what came up, okay, because I had already done that, but it's control V to paste right there. I'm going to click apply, okay, and that means that it should have this pop down with the line on it. I should be able to click on it and go directly to my video. That is my ultimate goal, to make sure that everybody could see my videos. Uh-oh, that was Trinity. So I had linked that one to Trinity. Okay, if I go back here and I remove that link and I do what I said, highlight, sorry about the noise, insert link, okay, and control V, paste it, apply it, I should be able to go to my Flipgrid. There it is, okay, although I liked Trinity's better. Okay, so the point is that everybody will be able to see these once I do this, okay? And I wrote an example commentary for this third one would be, I like how you introduced yourself, but make sure you speak in Spanish all the time. Also, don't just list what we learned. Practice saying the words before you record. Did you know that you can pause and restart the video if you need to look at the question or your quotes? Gracias, Julio, for example. Okay, so this is again what you're going to do, and guess what? This will also be on your portfolio for a preview. Okay, and we're going to make sure we have comments and we are reflecting on ourselves as well, etc. Okay, hopefully you learned from that, and I look forward to being able to see all of your Flipgrids together and your comments, okay? So have a great day in class period. Adios.